on my head by Russell Ginns, illustrated by Tim Beaumont.
I wake up each morning and jump out of bed with a smile on my face and a bird on my head. When I walk out the door, it's so good to know I'll have a friend with me wherever I go.
Tap on Rhino's friend.
Good morning! Nice to meet you! Arriba!
Tap on the door handle so Rhino can leave the house.
Good morning!
And
howdy!
Are quite often said when a guy walks around with a bird on his head. It's such a busy day in town. Everything is all over the place. Can you put it all back where it belongs?
Good morning!
Dum-da-dum-da-dum.
Arriba! Howdy!
Woohoo!
I like peanut butter with jelly on bread, but they taste so much better with a bird on my head.
Tap around to eat breakfast.
Jelly is tasty and sweet, and it's made out of different kinds of fruit, such as raspberries and strawberries. Peanut butter is yummy. Let's spread it on our toast.
That looks yummy!
And late every evening, before I go to bed, I brush all my teeth with a bird on my head.
Tap around to get ready for bed.
Brush, brush, brush! I see you!
Once I was invited to go to a dance. I put on a hat and my very best pants.
Tap on the taxi to pay for Rhino's ride. Tap on Rhino to go into the dance.
Sounds very good inside. What do you think, bird on my head?
Hold on!
Someone shouted, his face turning red.
You can't come in here with that on your head! Take your head off inside, the polite thing to do. Then come join our party. We brought our friends too.
It's a beautiful life when your friends are with you.
Turns out Mr. Elephant is nice after all. Can you find him? Where is Rhino and Bird's new friend Piglet? Tap on Rhino and Bird's new friends to get the party started.
Bye-bye!